Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Inshallah, soon you all are going to start your O level studies, and for that, we have decided to make computer science a compulsory subject because the importance of computer science is just undeniable, as you all know. And of course, the current situation of this pandemic has proved it correct to a great extent because. Everybody, no matter what the occupation or the field is, has to make use of computers to run the smooth workflow and to manage things remotely. We need computers. If there weren't any computers, the situation would have been completely different. You would have been stuck at our homes doing nothing. But thanks to the inventors of computer, that we are able to run things effectively and productively. But this was not the case in the past. Back in the late 19th century, computer was just limited to a specific set of people who were involved in the IT industry. That means information technology for information technology industry. But as the time passed, computer science influenced many industries and professions, and people became dependent of computers. Whether it be medical, accounts, engineering, business management, education, or even entertainment, computers are everywhere. In order to become an expert of whatever field you choose, you must be an expert of computer too. In order to execute things effectively. If you talk about medicine, computers are there. Like we take an example of angiography and angioplasty, the process of finding out where the blockage is in the heart valves and to remove that blockage. That also is done with computers. And the CT scan that you must have heard about, the full form of CT is computer tomography, a high resolution scanning that also is done with computers. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, done with computers. And of course, the medical record system, that you just enter your medical record number and the complete history comes in front of you on the systems. All the networks of the different computers in one hospital or different branches of the hospital. That also is done with the help of computers. And if you talk about accounts or commerce, all the statistical data processing used to take big decisions to improve the performance of the company or to increase the yearly turnover is done through computers. And in education, you all are able to see computers everywhere. The computers are in the field of management, in administration, in even the library management system is also maintained with the help of computers. In entertainment, all the graphics, VFX, the special effects, and the animations are used to improve the video quality. So, just to conclude, I would say you must be equipped with the required computer skills. So whatever you do it with perfection and excellence. Because there is a time coming, that time is of artificial intelligence, robotics and programming, and a digital transformation. Robotics, programming, and artificial intelligence are going to take over to almost everything that humans do. And if, when it is also happening in the Singapore, there are restaurants that have robot waiters. They just take your orders and then they do as you want them to, because they do just as they are programmed. There is no influence of their emotions, and there is no influence of the external feelings or external things, because humans when humans do something, there is an influence of their emotions also, and they sometimes make errors. But robots do things as they are programmed. So there's a time coming in which computer science is going to take over even more, and so you must be equipped with these computer science skills ahead of time, so that you can do things perfectly. Thank you so much.